Hey everybody, I'm Will Champagne. I'm a sales associate intern here at the Atelier Auburn. I've been working here for about 2 years now. Just some general tasks I do every day would be checking people out, buying and reselling merchandise from customers that bring it in, and just general upkeep of the store and the warehouse every day. I really enjoy it here. It's a pretty comfortable environment for somebody in merchandising. Everybody here is around my age and has similar interests to me. So I interviewed 2 years ago and I was hired within 2 weeks. It was a pretty cool process. 3 things I've learned here is really just how to open up and talk to people. Customers come in every day, athletes come in every day, I work with them. I've learned how to work Shopify, which is a pretty universal program that we use, and also just really how to manage my time well. I advise any future interns that are looking for a place to work or really just a place to shop if they're new to the area. Come to the Atelier and check us out. It's, I say all the time, it's just a new store every week, so yeah, come check us out.